To be honest, Halloween in college sucks. Unless you're going to some kind of costume party, Halloween is trash. No one actually goes trick-or-treating unless your name is Jessica and you're going to Brad's house and you have cat ears on and no pants. You see all these cool makeup tutorials on YouTube. You have like Nikki tutorials, James, everyone, okay, everyone. And those are really cool, but who has the time for that, especially in college when you can barely even afford like water? Honestly, winged eyeliner is already exhausting. I don't need to do anything else more than that. Today, this video is for all of the college students or just anyone who can relate to being too old to trick-or-treat, so it's kind of just awkward, but you also don't have kids, so you can't even like go along with them and like play it off. Let's just give a little cheers to the fact that this year and whatever other year that you're in school, the scariest thing on Halloween is our bank accounts. Okay, tell me if I'm wrong, but I almost feel like I looked better before doing my makeup. I don't know why. Like, do you ever just have those days? Why am I so zoomed in? Hi everyone. So, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like my makeup looks like trash. It just doesn't look good. Like, I don't know, something's not right. I don't like it. So, I have actually decided to play this video in reverse, and it's gonna be me taking off this hideous makeup. Credit to my friend. I did not think of this idea, but I was on Snapchat. Follow me on Snap, by the way, Sophia Noel. And I was like, my makeup doesn't look good and I have to post this video today. And he was like, play the video in reverse. And I'm like, okay, it sounds stupid, but I'm doing it. So I'm gonna show you me taking off the makeup. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it, but we're about to find out. So happy Halloween. Here's some spooky me reverting to my natural state because that's how bad the makeup turned out today. Calm down. Yes, it's Halloween, but sadly, that doesn't mean. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. So, as you can see, this is the best makeup tutorial ever created. Yes, I'm actually taking off the makeup because it was so ugly. Now, I'm recording this voiceover in one take. I don't care if I mess up, I'm doing it. I feel like to compliment the terrible makeup, we should just have a terrible voiceover. You know what I mean? Like, do you know what I mean? It's Halloween. Let's just do something crazy. All right, that's enough. But here I am, you know, just taking off the eyeshadow. Honestly, this is where it went wrong. Everything looked cute until I put on the eyeshadow. No offense, makeup geek, but I just looked busted as f***. Busted as f***. Now, I tried to do a normal makeup look. You know, like, we wear normal makeup on Halloween. We don't do anything fancy, because guess what? We have to go to class like this. I'm not going to class with bats going across my face and a little, I don't know, like, bunny tail strapped to my ass. It's not happening. So here I am, doing my normal makeup routine. I tried to make it all bronze and warm, but that did not go as planned. So yeah, I feel bad about this video, so I'm gonna include something at the end that's a little more entertaining. This was supposed to be a makeup video, today's Wednesday, but this is what happened. So, it's pretty amusing though. It's actually cool to see the makeup come off. I guess you can give me points for creativity, originality. Really, my friend gave me this idea, so shout out to him, but yeah, there we are, and that's the end of the makeup. Thank God, I'm normal again. Hi guys, so I'm back. Yes, I still have the makeup on. I didn't take it off. I'm honestly too lazy. This was supposed to be like a makeup video because it is Wednesday, and the closest thing that I can get to doing my makeup without actually doing my makeup is going on The Sims. As you can see, we are still at the party. I'm gonna take my girl and do a create a sim and make her look Halloween as f***. and that's gonna be the conclusion to this video. So let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna look and see what costumes they have, and then we can do her up. So I think for this Halloween, what's this? You can be like a witch. Honestly, let's go for that. Let's make her a witch. I think that would be the best. We've got the outfit. Let's give her maybe like some stockings, maybe something like this. Yes. Yeah, we've got some fishnet stockings and then some boots. Let's see, do they have like any witch boots? Because I feel like they do. Wait, they do. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so we've got the witch boots. This is going oddly very well. Now let's give her maybe gloves. Let's do that. And then for her hair and makeup, let's do, first we need a hat, like a witch's hat. Yes, it even has the spider on the end. That's iconic. Let's do some makeup and make it not look like. First of all, let's give her eyelashes. That is crucial. I don't really use mods, but if you're gonna use any mods, get eyelashes for your Sims. Like, look at that. Looks so much better. Makeup, we're gonna make her look real cute. Let's do eyeshadow. They just added this new one. It looks so good. We can do that. So that's like kind of what I tried to do today. Wow, mine looks like shit. Now we can give her some eyeliner like that. Looks kind of chunky right there, but you do you, girl. And then cheeks, let's make her look all tan. And then lips, we can give her red to match the outfit. Or wait, maybe we can do a different red. That one's a little more outlined. Look at that. Look, we were able to dress up for Halloween. We got some nice makeup. Look at her. She is doing quite swell. And she also has no idea about this fail of a video. Oh, let's give her some accessories. Ooh, I love this. Yes. That has completed the look. Look at that. All right, that's enough. That's enough. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I know this video was absolute trash, but at least we had some kind of fun, I guess. And let me know what you want to see next time. Happy Halloween.